An 18th century fire alarm you had to strike with a hammer to alert the...
Let's be honest, that alarm thing sucks. You be looking like the lady in front of me, all ashes. You be looking like Thanos snapped your fingers and you blown away with some damn wind. No wonder that people back in the day had burnt to a crisp. I don't know about this one, y'all. I don't think it's gonna work. I better go check my smoke alarm before I come. Like that person. Bye.